Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Weaver, fine art artist. This month I'm focusing my efforts on North Alabama Search Dog Association. If you remember a while back, I did 30 paintings in 30 days to benefit Mission Canine Rescue, and prior to that I did 30 paintings in 30 days to benefit Greater Huntsville Humane Society. Well, 30 paintings in 30 days is a lot, so what I've decided to do is concentrate all my efforts into one painting and auction off that one painting and donate 100% of the proceeds to a particular organization. This month, the organization that we are here to celebrate and paint this painting for is North Alabama Search Dog Association. North Alabama Search Dog Association is a nonprofit organization that trains animals and, well, dogs on how to find live finds, trailing finds, and human remains detection. They are available on a moment's notice to help rescue adults and children or whomever may be lost. So I would like for you to check out one of those future heroes, and her name is Blue. Blue is a pup in training to be a search and rescue dog. Thank you, Darcy, for providing the reference photo of Blue. Darcy had this to say about Blue. Right now, she's just a baby, but for her handler, she represents hope for another partner and an incredible amount of time and effort for socialization and training that will last her almost a lifetime. Her future is bright and filled with promise that she will bring someone home one day. Thank you, Darcy, and to the North Alabama Search Dog Association, thank you for all that you do. If you would like to donate to NASDA, click on the link provided in the content of this post. Thank you so much for viewing my painting and supporting North Alabama Search Dog Association.